In this guide, I'll show you how to get 120 FPS for games on the Nintendo Switch 2. Now, in order for this to work, you'll need three things. First, the game needs to support 120 FPS on the Switch 2, which unfortunately many of them don't at this time, but over time, hopefully more of these games are optimized so we can select that. Now, you'll also need an HDMI cable that supports 120Hz, which the one that came with your console supports it, and you'll need a TV or monitor that supports 120Hz as well. So what I recommend you do if you have those three things is go to System Settings, then you want to scroll down to Display Settings and scroll over, and where it says TV Resolution, leave it on Automatic. Then you want to scroll down in this section until you see 120Hz output, and you want to make sure this feature is turned on. So this is going to output video at 120Hz, when supported by both your TV or monitor and game, as well as 120Hz video will be supported at 1080p or 2K TV resolutions. That's why you want to leave it on automatic so you won't even have to change it. It'll be changed automatically. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.